best to make your left lane change just after the crosswalk here, because that right lane ends at the lights. So it's a good idea to make an early left lane change. Manage your speed here at 50. Careful about that. They'll count 5 seconds, and if you haven't come back down to 50 within 5 seconds, they could fail you. Count it out to 2001, 2002, 2003, and if you're still above the speed limit, they count in their head though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look for big black turtles here crossing the road. So we're going to turn left at the roundabout coming up, and to do that, you're okay if you stay close to the yellow line. That'll take you into your left turning lane. You see the big one-way arrow. Everything is counterclockwise. The timing of using your left signal is about here, right at the beginning of the concrete median. And I'm just scanning to the left, making sure that the way is clear, yielding to any other vehicles. And if it's clear, then we can keep on.
Go now?
No, we'll stay. He's coming in pretty quick. There we go. Into this lane, perfect.
So we used to live before here around Cambrian Heights, and I would never take this road to go to the store, no, because of the roundabout.
Yeah. Okay, now you want to get your speed up to 80 quickly so that you're not impeding the traffic, and as soon as you can, we'll make a right lane change. And shoulder check, yeah. And then you want to get yourself a 6-second following distance. It doesn't take long because they're usually going over the speed limit.
So I can go between 77 and 82 to below up, or I have to
As close to 80 as you can. It's normal to fluctuate a little bit over, a little bit under, so long as they see that you're making a conscientious effort to keep the speed limit and keep like a constant rate of speed, so that you don't want to be slowing down too much and then speeding up and then slowing down and all that. Then they're going to test you on your lane changes. So let's go ahead and make a left lane change here at this speed. Very good. We'll make a right lane change.
right now.
Yep.
How many times they ask?
2 lane changes. So one to the left, one to the right. But when you check your blind spot, though, Rita, just exaggerate it a little bit. Just turn it a little bit more.
Sure.
And I know it's like scary because you take your attention off of what's happening in front of you, but it takes a little bit of guts.
The only reason I booked the vehicle for the drive test is because of the brake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so at least they can have the control too if I miss something.
You'll be fine.
Otherwise I would go in my car.
This is the amount of traffic. You'll never get more traffic than this. We're going to take this exit here, South Notre Dame.
On right?
Yeah, single right, and you get in there right up against the white line. As soon as you see the opening there, you don't want to wait too long.
First time I'm going this side.
Okay, and then right about here, you can cancel your signal because now you're known that you're going right. The 30 sign, ignore that, and just go at a safe, comfortable speed for the road conditions. Somewhere between 40 and 50 is okay on this
So I don't
type.
go to do 30.
Yeah, the yellow sign, that's just a recommendation more for the transports that have a higher center of gravity, and so they can tip easy. This car here with low center of gravity, so just go whatever the road conditions dictate. Keeping it nice between the lines here. A lot of people, they'll get into that lane, the bike lane. It's actually a cyclist's lane. And then at this point here, you want to bring your speed up to whatever traffic speed is. It's 80 here. managing. Well, at least it's not like in Toronto. You don't have to.
Oh no,
bring
I
your
would
speed
never
up.
drive in Toronto.
So, yeah, by the time you get to the 60 sign, you should be at 60. You don't want to be over 60 past this sign. So you're at 66. And let's go ahead and make a left lane change. That's good. We'll make another lane change, a left lane change. Okay, we're going to turn left at the lights. And we get into the lane behind the white car.
So they ask for this route? What is Oh my goodness.
Yep, they go from here and then they return to the road test center. So that's how easy it is.
Okay, so I thought they would directly come here and follow you, but they would take the
No, they used to. I mean, they could, but generally they go over to Barry down and take the route that we just took. You know the speed limit on the side? 50. Yeah. So it's always 50 on the side. You wouldn't know it though, because everyone else is going 80. After this set of lights, we'll make a left lane change. And then they're going to ask you to do a left turn at the next set of lights up here. This one here is Rita. They want to see how you drive along in traffic and handle the traffic lights.
You said left turn from
Yeah,
here?
left turn here. Shoulder check. Here's the bar. We're just looking for a gap in the traffic. When you see a gap, then just check the crosswalk, make sure it's still clear before you go. And then they'll ask you to make a right turn here for the four-way. And from here, they just return back to the road test center. So you don't have to worry about any three-pointers or parallel parking or anything like that. The one thing that they will ask you to do when you return is the reverse parking. We'll go and practice
I
that.
think I need one more class.
Yeah.
Of course.
See how you do. We're going to go and do something. We'll practice a little bit. At the stop sign here, we're going to make a right turn.
I can go here.
Yeah, generally, if you're crossing the yellow line, then you should put your left signal on and then right signal back over.
Oh, okay.
If there's no line, you don't need a signal. Stop sign on this side, so make sure it's still clear.
Another drive.
It's Tanya.
I think I have class with her maybe on
straight at the lights.
Right?
Straight. We're going to go into the Princess Auto parking lot here.
Okay.
Practice your reverse parking. We're going to make the right turn down the first laneway here. It is busy here. A little bit busier than the road test center, but it's pretty much similar. We're not allowed to practice there though.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the road tests, so they don't want us practicing at the road test center during business hours. If it was Saturday, then we could go in there. We're going to make a left turn using your signal. And we'll go right down to the end of this laneway. We'll make a left turn. We're going to back it into the space between the red car and the black car.
Are you crazy? Oh, God.
I'll help you. So right about here, straighten it out, keeping this amount of space between the bumpers. So keep it nice and straight. Put your right signal on before you stop. Just check the mirror. So space 1, space 2, space 3. Keep your wheels straight. You don't want to get any closer. That's good. Right
Good.
here. Yep. Now you want to put his driver's side headlight in the small window. Right?
Sure.
Small.
Okay, right.
Yeah, you want to keep that thing on.
You said red car?
Yeah, the headlight in the small triangle window. Okay, in the reverse. And before you move the car, turn the wheel all the way.
What happened?
And then you don't want to be using this. You want to use the mirrors here and look around over your shoulder. This little convex mirror is really helpful to see how much space you have between the cars. Yeah, you want to check and see how much space you have on the left side as well. So it's looking around, basically, you want to scanning around. How does that look over your left shoulder? That's nice and straight. Maybe a little bit more. Right there. Okay, now just check and see. Looks like you're lined up. It looks like all you have to do now is turn the wheels so that your wheels are straight. And yeah, you continue backing up. Just so long as the nose of your car is out of the laneway. That's good. Nope. You can just glance at it. But if you stare
Oh,
at
no,
it,
no, like I did see this red light.
yeah, that's fine. You can just glance at it, just like you just glance at your mirrors. But you got to look around more. Because I notice what you're doing is you're backing up just using your mirrors only. You'll lose points for that. So when you want to look out this window, look out that window, just exaggerate everything a little bit. And then once you're done, go ahead and put it in park. And when you put it in park, then yeah, you just say handbrake or something. Okay. All right, so let's make a right turn out of here. Yeah, they always want you to signal. When in doubt, signal.
Okay.
No harm in signaling. parking lot, because what I was told was sometimes there's partially visually impaired people that walk around in the parking lots, and sometimes the only thing you can see is the flashing lights. So we're gonna go back out to the traffic lights over here. The exit is on this side. Put on the brake. Scanning around a lot. No signal required here. At the lights, we're going to make a right turn. Pardon me?
They always ask for the reverse parking.
Yeah, they will. Yeah. Are you really nervous about that, eh?
Yeah.
Are you more comfortable with forward parking, or
Little bit, but
make sure you stop? Complete stop. Gotta go to a full stop when the light's red first. If you don't see anything, then it's... And check that rear view mirror, and you're gradually building up your speed to 50. So now they would go this way here from the road test. This is how they start the G2 exit. At about this point, they'll ask you to make a left lane change. Let's go ahead and do that. Straight ahead. Cancel your signal. Don't forget that. And then a right lane change. Get into the left lane, so we'll make a left lane change. You have lots of time. Keep going. Push the gas.
Sure?
Yeah. He's not in your. Now it's too late, right?
I'm not confident for that.
Okay, so if they're not in your blind spot, it's safe to go. Go ahead and put your left signal on. See, now at this speed here, it wouldn't be safe to make a lane change.